Hey everyone, this is Matt from drawingtutorialsonline.com. We are on our third sketchbook today, and I'll make them go on YouTube all different dates. We are here with Smila. Smila, how are you?
I'm good.
I had to really talk you into doing a sketchbook video, right?
Yes.
All right, look at this cute little sketchbook. Let's start to dive through it.
Okay.
So tell me a little bit about the medium that you're using here. What pencil?
This is watercolor and colored pencils. Yeah, I have a lot of fun with it.
Super pretty, super
Thank you.
pretty work. And tell me a little bit about this. Are you drawing out of your imagination or?
It's mostly from like photo reference. I'm like very much a perfectionist, so I like to use photo reference a lot.
Wow, really, I love those colors and
Thank you.
the attention to detail with the wood grain. That's really pretty. And those are storyboards for your homework assignment in my class?
Mm-hmm.
Excellent, excellent. And so you don't mind drawing small in this little sketchbook?
No, I actually like really prefer it because I'm used to drawing in my iPad.
Okay.
And I feel like that's pretty small.
Yeah. You know, I forgot to show you like a little place at the Met that where people painted brooches, and they actually have the small little tiny portrait paintings. Like your sketchbook reminds me of that. Has a real. I like how you use shape and value. You're hitting on all, especially that left page there. Wow, awesome.
Thank you.
And then this was our anatomy study day,
Mhm.
and then we did dogs, little dog skeleton, and you did that in class?
Yeah.
When did you do that?
This is when we were drawing everybody and we were all in a line.
Wow, and you did it in watercolor.
Mm-hmm.
Damn, you're pretty fast.
Thank you.
Gorgeous, gorgeous. Good job with the line. And so a little bit of trees. So how was you, sorry YouTube, I'm shaking this a little bit. How was your first year here at SVA? Did you enjoy it?
Yeah, I enjoyed it a lot. I think I got pretty overwhelmed near the end with the film and everything.
Yes. So just on YouTube, everybody in first year has to finish how long was the film?
Well, it was supposed to be between 30 seconds and a minute, but mine was a minute and 30 seconds.
Okay. Let's just
Sure.
rotate that. And then the other work that you had that took a long time was Pitch Bible.
Yeah, mine is due on Monday.
So all that was a ton of work with your humanities classes.
Yeah, because I'm also in the honors program.
Okay. I can see where that gets very overwhelming.
Yeah.
And what was the one thing that you took away, maybe from my class, since we'll give it some context, that really helped you?
I really liked, like, I guess the focus on gesture, because I've never really had that before.
Mm-hmm.
So that was fun, like learning how to draw fast.
Nice. And do you enjoy the figure drawing, or do you tolerate it?
I really like it.
Okay.
Drawing people is my favorite thing to do. So.
Excellent, excellent. And who's your inspiration?
I really like Mucha.
Yeah.
I like a lot of work that has like focus on like different kind of line diversity, I guess.
Yes.
So, yeah. Especially like thick outlines, I think it looks cool.
Mm. And through your first year of college here at SVA, have you figured anything out in terms of your dream career?
Yeah, I think so. I always kind of wanted to be like a character designer. But I also am kind of interested in being like a storyboard artist now. I think like I really like composition, so.
Excellent, excellent.
Thank you.
Wow, super pretty, super fun. A little dried flower I should say.
Lots of dried flowers in
Let
here.
me see those are really pretty. Nice. Long drawing, that was a 20.
Mhm.
Super pretty.
Thank you.
You have a nice style. Like, I think you really came to a good place here. Love it, love it. And then this is some fun cute
Yeah.
stuff.
These ones were just silly.
Yeah, I don't know how, I need a place to rest my hand.
Yeah.
Excellent. And what was your favorite? You drew with this on the field trip, right?
Yeah, we'll get to those in a second.
These are great. They have a nice vibe to them.
Thank you.
Wow. Last figure drawing.
Mm-hmm. Oh,
Well.
other one.
Excellent. Nice portrait. Self-portrait?
A little bit. This is more of the self-portrait.
Oh, you're taller than that.
Yeah.
But you had to shrink yourself to fit in the sketchbook.
Yes. Okay, so this is the field trip.
Did you enjoy it?
Yeah. I'm not very like confident with drawing animals, so it was a little difficult, but I had fun.
Would you have wanted to do more of drawing animals?
I think a little bit more. Or maybe like drawing animals in motion would be fun.
Excellent. I think you're pretty good at drawing animals.
Thank you.
Wow.
And then this was like some people from above at the museum.
Nice.
Which was fun.
Dinosaur room was out of control.
Yeah.
Kids screaming, it echoed. They need sound absorption in there. Have you been to that museum?
No.
Was
it was
it
the first time.
And so what were your thoughts? Which one do you like better, that place or the Met?
Definitely the Met.
Yeah, me too.
It was very overwhelming and super crowded.
Yeah.
So I think that's it.
All right, we've got a palm tree against a whale. That's a perfect way to end the semester. Smila, thank you so much for sharing. And we're going to post your social media underneath. Thank you. Listen, everybody on YouTube, give this video a thumbs up and a like, a thumbs up. Share it, and we'll talk to you soon.